777 and it's a beautiful little flight going to Fukuoka. Huge plane. I'm right at the bottom, folks. That's the Star Wars. 777-200. Yeah, I'm getting on a plane to Fukuoka. That's me. 255 passengers. It's always on. There you go, folks. Everything is disciplined, mannered, respectful. This is the beauty of Japan. And Elvis. Lovely. Thank you so much. What a joy. 42. It's Star Wars. I'm straight after Star Wars today.
または前の座席の下にお入れください。携帯電話などの電池。それではこのスター・ウォーズ特別機でのフライトをお楽しみください。
Fabulous.
Hello, I am C-3PO Human Cyborg Relations with my counterpart R2-D2 and BB-8.
Wow, fabulous.
It is such a pleasure to welcome you on board, and we do hope you enjoy your flight on this special Star Wars aircraft.
Fantastic. Very good. Star Wars. We're on B2, Lovely. Fantastic.
Please pay attention to the following safety instructions.
手荷物は重ねないように座席の上の物入れ、または前の座席の下に収納してください。手荷物が滑り出る恐れがあります。
Please place your baggage in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front, and do not stack items on top of each other, as they may fall out.
通路や非常口付近には手荷物を置かないでください。
Nothing should block the aisle or exit.
離陸着陸の際は座席とテーブルを元の位置にお戻しください。
Return your seat and table to the original position for takeoff and landing.
ベルト着用際に転倒中、並びにお座りの間は揺れに備え、常にシートベルトを緩みのないようお締めください。緊急時は乗務員の指示に従ってください。
In case of emergency, please follow our instructions.
酸素マスクが降りてきた際はマスクを強く引き寄せ、鼻と口に当てて呼吸します。
If oxygen masks drop down, pull a mask towards you. Place it over your nose and mouth and breathe normally.
ご自身のマスクなどを外し、酸素マスクを直接つけます。
Remove your own mask and then put the oxygen mask directly onto your face.
ゴム紐を頭にかけ長さを調整します。
Put the elastic band over your head and adjust it by pulling the end.
衝撃に備える姿勢をとります。
In an emergency, brace for impact.
非常口は飛行機
It's fabulous.
We look forward to seeing you again on your next flight. Until then, may the Force be with you.
Fantastic, right? There you go, folks. Star Wars. It's just landed on a Star Wars ship here in Fukuoka. What a job. Fabulous, right? Fantastic. Hey, cheerio. Ta-da.
What a joy. Thank you. See you later. Hey, bye-bye. Lovely. There's the aircrafts. E.T. There you go. Just landed in Fukuoka. They also have a 7-8 with the Star Wars. It's much more for the international flights. The guy who's opening the door, making sure nothing is blocked. Fabulous, folks. Just been on the Star Wars flight. Everybody is taking photos of the Star Wars aircraft. Ooh, nice. Wow. Oh, look at the kid. Fantastic. Star Wars. Nice. What a surprise for me. Being on the inspiration of Japan. Star Wars.
Please watch your step.